Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. I want to wish everybody a Merry Christmas, and today we're doing some railfanning on the layout. Hope you enjoy. We first see a BNSF auto rack on its way to the yard. We follow the train to see it go over the bridge. Finally, we see it pull into the yard. After the train unloaded, we see it leave to put the cars away. We then see Woodville Railroad steam locomotive pull out to couple up to the Christmas excursion. Then we watch the excursion leave the station. Finally, we chase it down the line to see it on its return trip.